I tell a story, which is one that my dad told me. Before the Apollo missions, when he was just a very little boy, he was looking up at the moon with his mom, and his mom said to him, "Don't worry, Ronnie, we'll never get there." Fast forward maybe 70 years later, it's his daughter that's actually going there. My name is Christina Cook, and I'm a mission specialist for NASA's Artemis II mission around the moon. When I look back at my dreams as a kid, I definitely never thought I would actually get here. I loved things that made me feel small. I loved looking at the night sky, or I loved the ocean. I loved how they made me feel and what they made me think about, and the vastness of the universe and how much out there was to
Update. We're cruising with the Navy's finest right here. Myself and Jeremy, Victor and Christina are behind us, and we're about to climb on board our spaceship out here and practice night recovery, release flying, and then we're